All right, Patrick Cuellar. What is this charge? It's not,
I believe it's a delivery of less than a gram, Judge.
oh, okay. 2-8. Well, what's listed on the docket is something to BACS.
Oh, yes, yeah, to be,
Okay. All right.
so it's my understanding that the government has a federal case which he's entered a plea on.
Mhm.
I just need one more setting. I reached out to the federal AUSA this morning, but that should resolve our case.
Okay, and when is that set?
March 11th, Judge. Is the sentencing date. He's already planned.
Okay. All right, Norma. If you recall this from March 12th, are we going to be here? Yeah, we'll be here.
That's spring break. I will not. I'll be in.
Oh, no, she's saying this will resolve this case.
Okay, it should, Judge. So.
If I hear for that, then I'll do.
All right. So we're going to recall you back for March 12th. If everything is taken care of on your federal case at that time, then you probably won't need to be here. But if it's not taken care of, then you'll need to come back here. Just know your attorney is going to be on spring break and we'll just give you a reset for when he will be back. But you'll need to show up, okay?
Yes.
All right, is there anything else?
No, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court and being on time.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh.
Juan Flores,
Good morning, Judge.
morning.
I won't ask you a lot of questions. We got a pre-trial diversion
Yes.
and I made a mistake. We were here last time. We went and got the agreement.
Mhm.
We signed it. I didn't email it. I should have back to them. We were in
Mhm.
November. And I just realized, I thought I had done it because he went to orientation.
Okay.
So I thought I had done it, but I haven't. So I just I'm gonna email it. I'd like capacity to turn around with me, but I'll get that email to them.
Okay.
A week or two, maybe.
All right. Thank you so much for showing up to court on time and dressed appropriately.
Yes, of course.
We're going to take care of this. Ms. Ferguson, I need a PTD date, please. All right. So we're going to be back on January 8th.
Okay.
And hopefully by that time, everything will be completed and filed and your case will be taken care of.
I'll get my act done today.
So one of the requirements was to pay the fee.
Mhm.
Do I just pay that like as soon as I can?
Oh, you'll need to discuss that with them.
Okay.
So PTD, pretrial diversion, that's a contract with the state.
Okay,
And so I'm not privy to the terms of your contract. So if there are questions about what you need to pay and when you need to pay it, you'll need to discuss that with the attorney and with them because I don't have any information of what your contract is with
Yeah,
them.
I think they want the contract back from me first, I think.
Okay,
Sign it out there, we'll get that. I'll talk to you outside.
all
okay.
right. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I like your necklace.
Oh, thank you very much. Oh, thank you. It's gift from mom. Omar Leva. I hope we didn't bring you back too soon from.
No, not her.
Yeah, okay. All right. Is your last name Leva?
Yes, ma'am.
All right,
Yes.
thank you. My Spanish has not improved, and that's because of Deputy Mejia and Deputy Laura. They're supposed to be teaching me a word a day. You haven't done it. Deputy Mejia, do you speak Spanish fluently? See, they haven't. So I'm going to depend on you to give me a word a
Yes,
day.
Your Honor.
All right. So on this case, what is happening?
Judge, I think we're set for a discovery deadline. I
Yes.
believe we have all the discovery that was made available to us by the DA's office. And so we're ready to move on, Judge.
Right. So is this going to be a jury trial?
Yes, Your Honor. There will be a
Okay.
trial.
How long do y'all expect the trial to last?
3 days.
3 days, Judge.
All right, Mr. Leba, the holidays are upon us, right? So the last day that jurors will be called up is December 11th. We won't be able to get to your trial this year. That sounds odd saying that. So it'll be next year.
Okay, yeah, the one.
So if you all can confer with Ms. Ferguson on a jury trial date, and counsel, they've changed the clothing exchange at the jail. You have to let them know 72 hours in advance.
Yes, Your Honor.
So we'll figure out what your jury trial date is going to be. Norma? They need a jury trial date. It's family violence. All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so we'll bring you back on February 24th. And if you all could sign a discovery acknowledgement for me, please. All right. Do you have any questions about anything? All right, so on that date, you'll be brought over dressed for trial. You'll be brought over in whatever civilian clothing you have at the jail. If there's something else you wish to be attired in, you'll have to do the clothing exchange, and your attorney will have that done 72 hours in advance. And the way their rules are, if you do it 80 hours in advance, I don't think they're going to accept it. It has to be exactly.
They're very particular.
Yes.
Judge, yes.
So, all right, I'll see you then.
Thank you,
Thank
Judge.
you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, Richard Gonzalez.
This is a detail most people overlook, but it's critical. Jury trials aren't just about evidence. Presentation matters. Defendants don't get to just show up. Clothing, timing, compliance, even being 1 hour off can derail appearances. The court isn't being picky, it's enforcing control. And in family violence cases, structure and optics are everything.
All right, the court is calling 2023 CR 10232, State versus Richard Gonzalez. Can I have parties announced for the record, please?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Alexander Krause for the defense.
And are you Mr. Gonzalez?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision and state's motion in a supplement pending motion to revoke probation with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Richard Porfirio?
Porfirio.
Thank you. Gonzalez, who is placed on community supervision for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on December 19, 2023 for a term of 2 years. Is that you?
That is correct.
All right, state.
In violation of condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Richard Gonzalez did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, and October 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
And we waive and abandon the remainder.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility and a $1,500 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
True.
No. Do you understand that if you have an agreement with the state, I'm not bound by any agreement that you've reached with them? Do you understand that?
I entirely know.
All right. So let me explain it to you this way. When you were placed on probation, you entered into a contract. That's what
Yeah.
probation is. It's a
Okay.
contract.
Yes.
And in that contract, it tells you what is expected of you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you just pled true to not reporting for several months.
Yes, ma'am.
So part of your contract was you were to report. Do you
Yes.
understand that? So the contract that you have is the contract, it's a contract between you and the court.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not a contract between you and your attorney or a contract between you and the state.
Yes, ma'am.
If it were a contract between you and your attorney, then we wouldn't be here because your attorney could say, you know what, I forgive you, we're going to keep going on.
Yes, ma'am.
So sometimes in motions to revoke, the state will negotiate with your counsel and they will say, hey, this is what we're going to ask for. Well, regardless of what the states ask for example, let's say in this case, the state were to ask for 180 days. I don't have to follow that because I don't have a contract with the state. They're not a part of this contract. I could say, no, I'm going to give you 2 years. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
This is one of the most important explanations you'll ever hear in a courtroom. Probation isn't leniency, it's a legal contract. And once you violate it, the judge is no longer negotiating with the state. They're enforcing their own authority. That's why this moment is dangerous. The defendant just handed the court full discretion.
All right, the court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Judge, we're asking for revocation in 1 year in state jail.
All right. So, Mr. Gonzalez, you want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Richard Gonzalez.
All right, so why didn't you report?
Was when upon leaving the program, when I got home, I found out that I was homeless and I was looking for my wife at the time. She was also homeless. Since then, I've built I got my own business now where I got Gonzalez Automotive, Gonzalez Tree Care and Landscaping. I got an apartment now. My wife is 3 months pregnant, so it's
I'm sorry, you said your wife is what?
3 months pregnant.
Okay.
So I have my son as well that I take care of, and then I'm actually moving on, and
And how old
Trying to
is
get
your
this-
son?
he's 12 now.
And who is with him now?
His mom.
Okay.
And then, but that's with his mom, and then I have my wife, who I'm with now.
So that still doesn't explain to me why you didn't report.
I was homeless and I was looking for my wife. And I didn't know where she was at. I had no source of communication with anyone. I messed up. I understand that. It's just, I was worried about my wife. Trying to find her, I didn't know where to look, how to find her, nothing.
But see, you'll see that you can look for your wife and try to find her, but you can't look for probation and go into probation.
I understand that I messed up. I wish I can get, I was trying to get past, my mistakes.
All right, has restitution been paid?
No, Your Honor.
All right, probation, is there, in the original plea bargain agreement, it said that there is to be restitution of $2,000. Has that been paid?
No, Judge.
All right. And then this is not his first motion to revoke, is that correct? All right, and your previous motion to revoke, what was that for?
I was sent to another county at the
No,
time.
no. They don't file a motion to revoke because you've been transferred.
Right, when I got out of there, that's when I found out I already had a warrant set here for that.
No. On your very first motion to revoke.
That's what I'm speaking.
All right, so
I had,
what were they saying you did not do in your very first motion to revoke?
I didn't report. But see, I was in another county and there was nothing I could do. I was in another county. I was in Frio County at the time.
All right.
So when I returned back to San Antonio, there was already a warrant issued.
All right. Your problem is you're not really on probation. And when I say not really on probation, you haven't done anything.
No.
So this is what the court is going to do. The court is finding violation of condition number 4 true. The court is going to revoke. The court is going to sentence you to 18 months in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served.
That sentence lands hard, and deliberately so. The judge isn't saying the defendant didn't try, she's saying the system never saw proof of effort. And in court, intent doesn't outweigh documentation. This is the moment the outcome becomes inevitable.
And did probation, did he successfully complete ISF?
Yes, Judge, 90 days.
All right, and I'll give you credit for any time served in ISF. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal? I'm sorry, State, you may be excused.
Yes,
Did
ma'am.
you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on community supervision. I'm sorry, Ms. Abrams,
Yes, Judge.
was there restitution ordered or any restitution for Ms. Goodwin?
Judge.
All right, and there's to be restitution of $2,000 to Molly Goodwin. All right, because this was not a plea bargain agreement, I'm going to repeat it. You do have a right to appeal. That right to appeal is limited to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're under community supervision. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, okay? Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Rodney Brown. All right, if you'll come forward. All right, so he's actually scheduled for jury trial today,
Yes, Judge.
and we are doing jury selection on another case today. That's a murder case, so I think it's gonna go past December 11th. And that's the last day we'll have jurors available. So what we're going to do is we'll reset you for jury trial, and it'll be set in the new year, okay? Yes.
Possible to have an ankle monitor removed. I've been showing up. It's kind of a hindrance for my work because I have to wear steel-toe boots.
All right, so what will happen is your attorney can confer with the state over that today, and we'll take it up, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
All right, so state, how long do y'all expect this jury trial to last?
Really only be 1 day.
All right, so Ms. Ferguson, a total of 2 days, and that includes jury selection.
Ooh.
All right, January 6th. All right, once you sign the reset form, and then I'll address your GPS issue.
Thank you.
Thank you.